Abuwa. Down.
Don't you want to set the bobber?
You want to be patient, be careful, don't step the fishing pole. This one is about okay, I got this Michael, just go touch it, Michael. I'll give it to you. There you go. Oh, Daddy, I got one.
Baby, what's wrong?
Can we sing your microphone, Aiden? Can we sing? There's a Bluetooth on that. Is it? Is there a Bluetooth connection? Jordan! Okay, Michael, okay, be careful, Michael. Next time, yeah, I broke it, so be careful. Don't stick
Hey!
there.
I'm gonna sing. I'm gonna use your microphone.
Tita Mitch, I am Tita Mitch. That is Tita Mitch.
Hey, no.
Come here, baby. John. Jordan, come.
Hello! Okay, go fish. Another day.
just gonna stand there 1 hour.
Yeah, that's what I see some people. They can just move it around.
Usually it's better just to put your thing in and leave it there.
Oh. Maybe we should get a stand. There a hot stand out with it.
You can just lay it down. It doesn't matter. You can just lay it on the ground. It's not hurting anything.
What not happened? The string. Hey, where's your show from yesterday? See, doon kayo po.
That guy said he can take pictures.
Yeah, all these lines out and
What?
Joel. Because Daddy is right. This is someone's.
I tried to finish falling. Oh my goodness, there's one. I'm not gonna do it. Hello. He's gonna fly on someone else's house. At the house? Look it! Dion! Do the watermelon.
Don't worry, Tita Pilar is taking care of it.
Oh, this is horrible, right? I know, right? Get the hand sauce so they don't
Just pick it. Let me go. Daddy is right. I was just thinking to throw it out.
Mom, you should take off your phone.
Sabi ni ate, okay na daw.
I need the tree.
Will you eat it?
Mom, you should do it. Mom, you pick. You thought it
Just
was
grab
right.
and throw them. It's amazing. I'm gonna go move the car.
Watermelon.
Boy, help Mom carry the stuff. Help Tita Pilar.
We're helping with this.
Put it
Help
in
with
the bucket.
everything.
No. I said put it in the bowl. Put it in the bowl.
It's okay to throw it out there, huh?
It's so much better to just throw it out there. Dion! Come on! I'll just obey you. Let's go play!
Joel,
No, mine's not yet, not yet.
I'm done. I'm about to
you need
give
to
a
change your
confidence. She
attitude.
doesn't like. Quit fixing
Joel,
it.
come over
Figure it
here.
out life.
can you put those up and throw them in the potty thing?
We're
I
done.
didn't pick those up. Where are we throwing them? In the ocean? Ready? Let's chuck them out one by one.
I already talked to you once.
Come on, Aiden.
Put them in that car and you
We's chucking them out one by one.
right now. This is
Sure. Ready?
Move on. Life and go on. Keep rolling.
Joel, help Mom carry the stuff up to the house.
Daddy, are you going to
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the car.
Ready, Aiden? I'm gonna chuck all of them
Car over.
at once. Look what? Here.
Diva, do you want to finish it first? Do you want to finish?
Put the watermelon just to move.
Sophia!
Carry Sophia, she wants to be carried. That's what it did to me. It gave me a cut.
Okay, let's go now. Ay, bata, kiduta. Kenneth.
Stop. She's trying to slow down. Yeah?
Give that to Daddy.
Dad.
Tira tayo.
Come here.
Di na bitik diretso kay di pwede unya-unyaon ang batasana kay di pwede ang ginikanan mamuluhod anak. Oh,
Pero diri biya uso ba tayo na?
yeah.
Na pwede sa inyong balay.
Di pwede kang balay oy.
Mauso, di man na pwede sa among balay te.
Bitik bisag unta ning kauto ning kultura. Di pwede mo sabay ta kay natay Ginoo. Dali na mo do.
Sabay waya ka ang mga uban.
Let's go. Jordan,
Bawal pitulo ng anak.